In this video, we will talk about angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. Our objective is to define and illustrate the angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. Let us define first transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points. So for example, in this figure, line Z is the transversal because nag-intersect siya sa line Y and line X. Another, we have line S is a transversal. So ito, nag-intersect siya sa line R and line T. Line K and line M are parallel lines cut by a transversal line L. 8 angles are formed. We have exterior and interior angles. Interior angles are the angles formed in between the parallel lines. So we have angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. So these are the interior angles. While exterior angles are angles formed outside the parallel lines. So we have angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Transversal creates different types of angles. These angles are named in pairs according to their relative position. Let's start with alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are two non-adjacent interior angles on opposite side of a transversal. So we have the alternate interior angles, angle 3 and angle 6. We also have angle 4 and angle 5. So these are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are congruent. So that means the measure of angle 3 and the measure of angle 6 are equal. Another is the alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are two non-adjacent exterior angles on opposite sides of the transversal. So dalawang non-adjacent exterior angles on opposite sides. So we have angle 1 and angle 8. So we have another angle 2 and angle 7. So these are the alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Next is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are two non-adjacent angles, one interior and one exterior on the same side of the transversal. So we have angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. So yung isa, exterior, yung isa, interior. They are on the same side of the transversal. Another corresponding angles, we have angle 2 and angle 6. Another is angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So isang interior, isang exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So these are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. So that means the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 5 are the same. So they are equal. Another is the same side interior angles. So same side interior angles are two interior angles that are on the same side of the transversal. So dalawang interior angles na nasa isang side ng transversal. So we have angle 3 and 5 are same side interior angles. Another is the angle 4 and angle 6. So these are the same side interior angles. So same side interior angles are supplementary. So pag pinag-add natin yung measure ni angle 3 at saka ni angle 5, ang sum is 180 degrees. So same thing with the measure of angle 4 and angle 6. So the sum is 180 degrees since they are supplementary. We also have same side exterior angles. These are two exterior angles that are on the same side of the transversal. So dalawang exterior angles na nasa isang side ng transversal. We have angle 1 and angle 7. So these are same side exterior angles. Another is the angle 2 and angle 8. So same side exterior angles. So same side exterior angles are supplementary. So ibig sabihin, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees. The measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees kasi supplementary. Let us describe each given pair of angles. So line A and line B are parallel lines cut by a transversal, line C. So number 1, angle 5 and angle 7. So angle 5 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Corresponding sila kasi they are non-adjacent angle, one interior angle, and one exterior angle on the same side of a transversal. Number 2, angle 6 and angle 2. Angle 6 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. So, two non-adjacent interior angles sila on the opposite side of the transversal. Next, number 3, we have angle 4 and angle 8. So, ito yung angle 4, then we have the angle 8. So, angle 4 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. So, alternate exterior angles sila kasi non-adjacent exterior angles sila on the opposite side of the transversal. Next, we have angle 3 and angle 2. So, angle 3 and angle 2 are same side interior angles. So, pareho silang interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Then we have angle 5 and angle 1. So, ito si angle 5, then we have angle 1. So, these are alternate exterior angles. So, two non-adjacent exterior angles on opposite side of the transversal. Next, we have angle 1 and angle 4. So, angle 1 and angle 4 are same side exterior angles. So, exterior angles sila and they are same side of the transversal. Then we have angle 3 and angle 7. So, this is angle 3, then we have the angle 7. So, these are alternate interior angles. So, two non-adjacent interior angles on opposite sides of the transversal. Let us now find the remaining measures of the angles, given the measure of angle 1, which is 105 degrees. So we can identify the measure of angles formed by a parallel line cut by a transversal. We can use their relationship to identify their measurements. So let's find the measure of angle 2. So since angle 1 is 105 degrees, so angle 2 is equal to 75 degrees. So bakit siya 75 degrees? Since angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair, so pag sinabi nating linear pair, supplementary sila. So that means the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 105 degrees, the result is 75 degrees. Kaya angle 2 is 75 degrees. Next, angle 3 is equal to 75 degrees. So bakit siya 75 degrees? Kasi si angle 2 at saka si angle 3 ay vertical angles. So, pag sinabi natin vertical angles, they are congruent. So, pareho yung measures nila. Then, we have now angle 4. So, since angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angles, correct? So, that means angle 1 is 105 degrees, so therefore, angle 4 is also 105 degrees. Next, let's have angle 5. So, the measure of angle 5 now is equal to 105 degrees. So, bakit 105 degrees? Kasi si angle 1 at angle 5 ay corresponding angles. So, since corresponding angles sila, so they are congruent. Next, angle 6. So, this is equal to 75 degrees. Okay, so 75 degrees siya kasi angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. So again, pag sinabi natin corresponding angles, they are congruent. Next, angle 7 is equal to 75 degrees. Okay, kasi angle 6 and angle 7 are vertical angles. Then the measure of angle 8 is also equal to 105 degrees. So, bakit 105 degrees? Again, si angle 5 at sa si angle 8 ay vertical angles. Or, pwede rin natin sabihin na si angle 4 at saka si angle 8 are corresponding. Okay, pag sinabing corresponding angles sila, that means they are congruent. Thank you for watching and happy learning!